Monday is the official start of summer, and many of us have been working hard to get bikini and bathing suit ready, but sometimes no amount of dieting or exercise can erase those problem areas. What if you could make them vanish without having to go under the knife? Well, now that's an option. It's called CoolSculpting. Earlier, I talked with a patient willing to let us follow along. Jimmy Cirillo is young and stays fit, but says nothing was getting rid of these. Yes, they're affectionately known as love handles, the excess fat around our waist most of us love to hate.
No matter how good I diet, no matter how much I train, in the gym, that area just doesn't seem to want to go away.
Plastic surgeon Dr. David Holcomb says if you want to make the fat melt, just freeze it. Dr. Holcomb uses a relatively new fat blasting procedure in the U.S. called CoolSculpting. He says the results are similar to liposuction without any of the downtime. There's no surgery, anesthesia, needles, or swelling.
I can pretty much go back to work and go back to my regular activities pretty much that same day. It's kind of all the pros without any of the cons. How can you argue with that?
So how does it work? A machine by Zeltique is placed on the problem area protected by a gel pad. It suctions the fat between two plates that use an advanced form of cold technology, freezing the fat cells.
It causes the fat cells, some of the fat cells, to undergo a process of self-destruction. There's a medical term for that called apoptosis, but over a period of several months after, the body literally disposes of those injured fat cells, and you reduce the fat cell layer by about 25%.
And once the fat cells die, typically 2 to 4 months later, they never come back. Each treatment takes 60 minutes, and the size of the area you want to treat determines how many sessions you'll need.
It's not really designed to be a weight loss device, but it's more for localized deposits of fat.
Something Jimmy says is well worth an hour of sitting back and relaxing.
And try to keep, a very flat stomach and, kind of that bulging area where the love handles are, trying to eliminate that and just trying to stay looking trim and fit like, the guys in the magazines.
Well, CoolSculpting has been around for years in Europe and Canada, but is currently waiting for FDA approval for treating fat areas in the U.S. Now, it is already FDA approved for safety in dermatology procedures.